Welcome to our channel friend. Now we are making outline for this drawing. Now we draw the eye. The using black pencil and make it the black and dark. After that eyebrow, left side and right side eyebrow. Then I get the mistake. This is my drawing. How is that? Now we make it the skin tone, the eye downside and upper side, for right side, upper side. Then we get the dark area and ear for right side and left side ear. Make it the dark light colors or brown. If you are making drawing, don't make the long dark pressure, like the little bit pressure. Make it light dim. This is mouth. Then when you make the drawing, first of all you make it the outline for perfectly. Again you do the perfect drawing will come for outline. So make it the dark skin outline for dark skin color, the coffee color. Some area is dark, some areas little bit lighting. It's the dark. Then hair color, hair is the black. You see, don't make the big pressure. The little pressure we have to put it. The drawing will appear very natural. This is skin color. Don't give more pressure, light pressure little. You put the pencil in very upper side. You put it. The very easy to give the pressure. If you give long pressure, the drawing will collapse. That's why I am told. Little the skin tone also very low pressure. If you give the low pressure, the drawing, the color will not match it. That's why I told. I am doing again. We practice, it will become for me. That's why I told you are also make it again. Then it will be one day easily come. And the skin tone, the one color does not appear the perfect skin. That's why I make it layer by layer, one by one colors. After that it will become naturally color. The Motu. It's very easy. After that you have to get the eraser because the paper will uneven. That's why you just make the even color tone. That's why I am doing that. If you follow the practice, more practice, it will become easily. After that, this is the Motu right hand. Patlu right hand. He put it in the hand to Motu hand. Now we are making Patlu eye. This is the skin tone. I'm rotating the upper side and outside and making the nose colors. Don't give the more pressure, right? The little pressure. For ear, this sunglasses because Patlu always wearing the glass. That's why we are making the glass. Now our drawing will appear for perfect, I think. When you draw the drawing, first of all analyze the drawing. Which color, where were the places did the light color or strong color. First of all you have to analyze the drawing and choose the color also. After that you have to make it the color. First of all you have to look the drawing where is which color, where places will come. Okay, after that you have to draw the drawing. After the skin tone make it when you use the long surface, you have to put the color low pressure. You don't give the strong pressure. If you give the strong pressure, the drawing will be different will come. That's why I told. Very easy drawing. This works for more practice. Practice. After that, it will one day come. Because the whatever you do, more practice, it will become. After that, otherwise it is not possible. I am also same the way. More time I will spend drawing after. It will become one day. It's easy. That's why I do. My channel always put like this video. If you are again practice. When if you have any doubt, see my video after your try. The same color, same pressure, it is too easy. That's why I told. If you are put the more pressure, the trying some disturbs. This one day it's not coming. The daily practice after that it will become very easy. The eraser and pencils is first time you make it any company pencils and erasers, no problem. After your practice, it will be you have to when your drawing will make perfect. Your drawing needle will very sharp. If you put the color after, you have to sharp the pencil with the sharpener. This is not sharp, the color will uneven and spreaded, not spreaded for other place. That's why I told. Make it color when you very sharp the pencil, it will be easy to move the hand because the surface will uneven. That's why I told. When the eraser also like this, don't give the more pressure, like little bit of pressure. The very dark area, little bit pressure. If you give the more pressure, that's why this color will go. That's again I do that for practice. Again. That's why one day we are the drawing maker. Very easy. Otherwise, it will be one day try to drawing after okay, next time later it will not come. You have to again do this. This will be easy. Okay friends, if you like this video, you have to subscribe my channel. I am putting the more like this drawing. You have to practice. Very easy. Like and share me my channel. I think you have to enjoy this video. I think if you are purely you are like this video, because you put the one like, it will be YouTube will be impression, it will be more impression, then my video will grow, other person will be use this one. Okay, thank you friends. Okay, I told like subscribe me and like me. Thank you very much. Thank you friends. Thank you friends watching my video. If you are like this video, kindly subscribe me and like me.